Step 4. Monitoring performance.
If you can measure it, you can manage it. And what gets measured gets done.
You can create award-winning protocols with beautiful color and pictures that are crystal clear. But if it doesn't produce the results needed for profitability or efficiency, it needs changed. Why monitor performance? Monitoring performance is important for several reasons. 1. It tells us when and where there is a problem. 2. It provides a means to measure our system's SOPs and supervision. 3. Gives employees feedback on their job performance. 4. Allows us to monitor the results and progress of the goals that were set. Once you have created and implemented dairy systems management, if there is a failure to reach your goals or progress towards your goals start to go in the wrong direction, it is almost always because of one of two reasons. Either the system is not organized correctly, or the people are not correctly implementing the system. If the system is the problem, this means that the principle in which you work was organized incorrectly. The protocol needs changed or adjusted. If the people are the problem, that means you are not doing what you are supposed to be doing. The employees need better supervision and discipline, or maybe more training. Management tip. When investigating a problem with a system, always start with the people first. Due to protocol drift, 80% of the time, the problem is that people are not correctly implementing the system. They are not following the protocol. What to monitor? When you did your objectives and goals earlier in the section, we defined some goals for each process. Figure 21. These are the goals we need to monitor. How often you monitor these goals is up to you. It is recommended that you monitor them at least once a month. Note: many large dairy farms monitor their goals either weekly or bi-weekly. The type of goal and the size of farm will often dictate how often you monitor your goals. Example: if you are a 200-cow dairy farm, you may only monitor calf death loss once a month due to the number of calves born. If you are a 2,000-cow dairy farm, you may monitor it weekly or every 2 weeks. Working with your outside consultants like your veterinarian, etc., is a good source to help know what your goals should be and how often you need to monitor them. Many of today's dairy farm management software can sort information to help you monitor your goals. In the back of the book, there are some examples of monitoring goals in the Excel format for those who do not have a dairy farm software program. You can also use these charts with information exported from your current farm management software. Note: it is very important when monitoring goals to display a chart with weekly or monthly progress in the department that the goals belong to. Displaying these results keep employees constantly informed on their progress and performance. Figure 22 shows an example of the % pregnant first service, which is monitored every week at this farm. This chart is one of several which is displayed in their office and is a good visual of their performance with this goal. By looking at this chart, we can see that something is starting to go wrong. Is it a seasonal issue? Employee issue? Management issue? Health issue? It needs to be investigated before it continues to be a trend. Monitoring and displaying goals in a graph form is very effective in making management easier and increasing production and performance. By graphing your data, it benefits the farm in several ways. 1. It builds teamwork. 2. It encourages and motivates employees. 3. It gives employees feedback on their job performance. 4. It quickly and easily alerts management when a system is out of control. 5. It brings numbers and data to life. Key points. Monitoring performance. 1. Monitoring performance helps you manage your farm and its processes. 2. Failure to reach your goals is most often a result of 2 reasons: the system or the people. 3. Display the results of your goals in the form of a graph for all employees to see.